Welcome to Collection Framework tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about map interface. Map stores data in key and value pairs. Both key and values are objects. The key must be unique, but the values can be duplicate. Although maps are a part of collection framework, they cannot actually be called as collection because of some properties that they contains. However, we can obtain a collection view of maps. There are many classes which implements map interface features like hash map, tree map, linked hash table, map. It maps unique key to value. Map.entry class describes an element in key and value pair in hash map. This is an inner class of map. Navigable map. It extends sorted map to handle retrieval of entries based on closest match searches. Sorted map extends maps so that they are maintained in ascending order. Here I am going to show a simple example of map implementation. I had created a reference variable of map which contains hash map object, and by using put method we are associating a specific value with the specific key in the map. So I had taken few key value pairs like 1 Ram, 2 Krishna, 6 Hanuman, 4 Vishnu, 3 Jair, 5 New, and I am printing this map reference variable which contains hash map object by using system.out.println map line. In next line set equals to map.entry set. It returns means entry set method returns the set view of the mapping contained in the map reference variable, and I am simply printing this set reference variable. And by using iterator reference variable it, I am accessing all the entries in the map by using map.entry mp equals to map.entry it.next method. For getting key value, I am using entry class reference variable mp.getKey method, and for getting value I am using mp.getValue method. So we will get output like this. Elements of map are 1 equals to Ram, 2 Krishna, 3 Xavier, and so on, and keys are 1 equals to Ram, 2 Krishna, 3 Xavier, and so on, and values of a particular key, 1 is Ram, 2 is Krishna, 3 is Xavier, by using entry class reference variable mp. Let's see this program in Eclipse. As I already written this code in Eclipse, so let's execute this program. Here we will get output like this. Elements of map are 1 Ram, 2 Krishna, and so on. Keys are 1 Ram, 2 Krishna, and so on, and values of all the map entries like 1 is Ram, 2 is Krishna, by using entry class reference variable, and through getKey method we are getting the key value, and by using getValue method we are getting the values here. Thank you for watching this video.